starts off with willingness to work hard. People who enjoy working with your hands. That's number one. Something that you can go into and learn as you're working.
BFIT gave me a lot of hands-on experience, so when I started in the trade, I know how to use the tools, how to work with the guys, get along with the guys.
BFIT gave me like a lot of good skills to make myself more desired for a position. I like seeing the before and after, like when you come in and everything's bare and open, and you see the after and everything looks just nice and finished.
I like it. I like being an electrician because I make more money.
You're doing different stuff every day too, so you're always learning something new.